What are the top 3 best learning apps for students in 2026 that can actually boost your grades and make studying easier than ever? In this video, we're breaking down the most powerful learning apps that students are using right now to study smarter, not harder. Let's jump right in. At number 3, we've got Khan Academy, a powerhouse learning app trusted by over 10 million plus installs and rated 4.5 stars with more than 150k reviews. This app is packed with over 10,000 plus video lessons covering math, science, economics, and way more. From basic arithmetic all the way to calculus and physics, you can learn step by step at your own pace. Plus, it offers 40,000 plus practice questions with instant feedback, hints, and full explanations, so you actually understand the why, not just the answer. And the best part? You can even download lessons and study offline, perfect for learning anywhere, anytime. Students love it because it feels like a personal tutor in your pocket. Whether you're preparing for school exams or just trying to build strong fundamentals, it keeps you on track with personalized learning suggestions. Number 2, we've got Quizlet. And this app is changing the way students learn in 2026. With a powerful 4.6 rating and over 50 million installs, Quizlet is not just a flashcard app. It's like having a personal AI tutor in your pocket. Here's why students love it. You can instantly turn your class notes into flashcards, quizzes, and even practice tests using AI-powered tools. It even builds study sets for you in seconds. No stress, no wasting time. And it gets better. With spaced repetition, Quizlet helps your brain actually remember what you study for the long term, not just last-minute cramming. You also get expert-written solutions for tough homework problems, plus fun game-style study modes that make learning way less boring. That's why over 300 million learners worldwide are using it to boost their grades and stay ahead. So if you're serious about improving your study game this year, Quizlet might be your secret weapon. Finally, number 1, this is the app millions are using to learn languages, chess, music, and even math, all in one place. Meet Duolingo, the world's most downloaded education app with over 500 million plus installs and a 4.5 star rating. Key features. This isn't just a language app anymore. You can learn 40 plus languages like Spanish, French, German, Japanese, and English through short, fun lessons that feel like a game. Every lesson builds your speaking, reading, listening, and writing skills step by step. But here's the surprise. Duolingo now includes chess training, where you can learn strategies, solve puzzles, and even play guided matches online. Plus, there's a math course to sharpen your mental skills and a music section where you can learn to read notes and play songs right on your phone. Why it's so popular? It's designed like a game. Streaks, rewards, and leaderboards keep you hooked. And the best part? It's built by learning experts, so it actually works for real progress. That's the list. Now, it's your turn. Drop a comment and tell us which app you think is the best for students in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.